Darjeeling Larkin here. Today I'm going to share one of my favourite cocktail recipes with you, a Gin Cosmo. This is playful and full of nostalgia and I'm using Dingle Gin. I love Dingle Gin in this recipe because it has its own unique characteristic flavour that comes from the water that they use from the well that's 240 feet below the distillery, and also the combination of botanicals that they use from the Kerry landscape. So, how do you make a Gin Cosmo? Start with a shaker full of ice. Into that you're going to put 50 ml of Dingle Gin. Next up, 50 ml of Cranberry Juice. And this gives it that lush pink hue. 25 ml of Cointreau, which is an orange flavoured liqueur. And 20 ml of lemon juice. Now this adds a lovely tartness to the cocktail. Give it all a really good shake to chill everything down. Okay, that looks good. Strain it into a chilled coupe glass. Look at that colour. Garnish it with a little spiral of orange. And there you have a Gin Cosmo. Let's have a taste. Oh, that is delightful. It's refreshing, gorgeous. Be sure to give this one a try.